So all the way from Knoxville, we got a Chevy Camaro LT1 6.2 liter E85 tune, long tube headers, all the goodies. Let me show you guys. And a cold air intake. So there's the long tubes there and there. It is catless, as you guys can see there and there. We didn't do anything on that right there. Then it goes into the factory 3-inch and then factory X pipe there. And then he brought his own mufflers. The part number is right there. EX130501 of 2. They are OBX Racing Sports. OBX Racing Sports. Specially made for Camaros. And then these come with valves that we just zip tie away. We cut off the original valves that come on the car and zip tie them away right there on each side. And so the car thinks that they're all working. But there's the system. OBX Racing Sports. I haven't heard these mufflers before, so we'll see how they will sound. Stay tuned. They look really nice. You guys approve? Yeah? You want to hear it?
Yeah.
What about you? He's like, yeah, okay. So stay tuned. There's the muffler that we cut off right there. And that's where the valves usually go, is on the side right there. All right. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Gave him my ear protection because he had his hands on there. I'm like, nah, he can have my ear protection. It's okay. I can live to be deaf. It's okay. But the little kids, they still got a long way to go, man. Him, he doesn't. He loves it. The louder, the better, right? Ready, Jarrett? Let's do this. Chevy Camaro LT1 with OBX axle backs, catless downpipes, long tube headers, and E85 tune. Go ahead. Look at his face. Is that better? Do we know what we're doing? All right, do we get a thumbs up? All right. Just wait till he revs it. Wait. This is idle, guys. 91.2. Go ahead and rev it. We do it for the kids, guys. That's what we do it for. Again. Woo. That sounds really nice. And he is a veteran guy, so we really appreciate his service. Go ahead. Here's sound decibels. 110. Again. Right at 110. All right, go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, all the way down off of Dickerson Pike, right down the street from Skyline Hospital. Come and see us. You like the sound of it?
Really good.
I like them. They're clean.
Yeah.
There's no rasp. It's just raw power.
Yeah.
I haven't heard these mufflers before, so I like them. They don't sound like anything else on the market. Again? Rev it, bro. Oh, it sounds so good. Then we got a 5.0 in there and a right there. That sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. All right, here we go. Chevy Camaro LT1 E85 tune, all the way from Knoxville. I like that hood on it too. I like the blacked out hood. That looks good. Got a really nice stance to it, as you guys can see. So it's got long tube headers, E85 tune, OBX axle back, and catless, and long tube headers. So here we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That was phenomenal. That was beautiful. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys. He has really cool kids too, man. Always do this stuff for the kids, guys. Anytime the kid wants something, always give it to him. See you guys.